Our Prime program is tailored to advanced manufacturing, where students get exposure to industry-vetted curricula.
If we want to be successful, the whole community deserves to be successful along with us.
The Prime program, I got a lot out of that, so it just really gives me hope for the future and see what I'm going to be doing later in life.
So Shape Corp reached out to address a very specific need, which is a skills gap that is happening all over, not just here in Grand Haven, but all over this great state. Our Prime program is a very specific career pathway that addresses advanced manufacturing. This is a very specific way to put some action steps behind that skills gap.
There really is a shortage in the skilled trades, and so we saw a need to develop some kind of a partnership that would serve our organization in a way that we could also serve the high school in return and support our larger community. What we've really done is help build out a manufacturing lab to purchase the right kinds of equipment, curriculum development for advanced manufacturing training, and so we engaged in this partnership really to make a difference out there.
I've always wanted to be an engineer. My dad's an engineer and I've just looked up to him. The Prime program, it's really cool how these local businesses have been reaching out to our teachers and just reaching out to the students to get everyone involved in engineering and within the community. So that way when I graduate, I can go from there and figure out where I'm going to want to work and what I'm going to want to do.
I think it's really fantastic for students to be able to break something apart and design something a little bit better. Our drone project is fun. They have to reverse engineer a small little micro quadcopter and see the sum of its parts. Through that process, there's going to be a number of different failures along the way, but we address it. Those are all problems that need to be solved.
My sophomore year, when we were picking classes, I knew I wanted to do something engineer-based. The class really just pushes my mind a little further. And I really like having a creative outlet during school as well. Mr. Case always is giving us ideas and giving us motivation to think a little further and dig a little deeper.
Notice also that this one came out just a little bit, so not bad. So flight test, documentation, make sure you document what you saw. I want them to have that creative experience through advanced manufacturing.
You aren't required to go on for a 2-year degree or a 4-year degree. We have opportunities right away, but we also recognize that not everybody will make that choice, and we want to help serve this community.
Mr. Case showed us a lot of different variations of engineering. It showed me a lot to do with where I do want to go and what I want to do in the future. I think I'm going to be going to Michigan Tech and majoring in mechanical engineering.
I recently decided I'm going to Lawrence Tech University and I'm going to play soccer there, and I'm also going to be studying biomedical engineering. This class has really prepared me for what they're going to throw at us and any curveballs I think I'm going to receive.
Our Prime program, it's about kids. And if kids can see that there's something more, then we're doing more. If they see that there is a career for them, they're going to do more. They're going to engage. They're going to rise up. And they're going to do the things that we so badly want them to do, and that is to be successful young adults.